Michael from Charlotte, North Carolina, has a question about a hybrid furnace.
Well, he just bought a new heat pump system, Tom, and Michael writes to us, unfortunately, the air handler with the heat strips, not enough to heat the house. The gas furnace I had before worked quite fine, he says. So my question is, can I replace the air handler with a separate coil and a gas furnace to make it a dual or hybrid system? My current power bill, he says, an 850 square foot house, $300. It's crazy.
I don't even know why you would use a heat strip. Just get rid of it altogether. If you've got gas or at the house, then you can use that as your backup. You can get an air handler with a gas furnace that you want to use as a backup for your heat pump system. That's fine. There's no reason to have two. That would be ridiculous. So gas furnace, air handler will be switched out. And quite frankly, if it gets cold, you're probably going to use that more than you'll ever use the heat pump. Heat pump's for mild winters, but when it goes down, you've got to have that extra oomph to keep that house hot.
Oomph. A technical term.
Yeah, it's a furnace.
Right. You want some more technical terms? Send us some questions at HomeShowRadio.com. Of course, you can see some more of our videos over here, as long as you're not on mobile. And you can also subscribe to our channel.